Welcome to Amaris Creation. We have the tiny and chirpy sparrow. It's the colorful and talkative parrot. Look at the gentle pigeon. Here comes the clever crow. Isn't the peacock beautiful with its feathers? Waddling around is the duck. Gracefully gliding, it's the swan. Hoo-hoo! It's the wise owl. Meet the cheerful robin. Sliding on ice, here's the penguin. Standing tall, we have the flamingo. Fluttering fast, it's the hummingbird. Pecking away, meet the woodpecker. By the water, it's the bright kingfisher. Running fast, it's the ostrich. Soaring high, it's the mighty eagle. Standing tall, we have the crane. Flying elegantly, it's the heron. By the sea, meet the seagull. Brightly colored, it's the blue jay. In red, it's the cardinal. Singing sweetly, here's the canary. Hopping around, it's the little finch. Honking loudly, it's the goose. Gobbling away, here's the turkey. Carrying babies, it's the stork. With a big beak, here's the pelican. Looking playful, it's the cockatoo. Chattering happily, we have the magpie. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.